Hello there guys. Now we're going to have a tutorial about removing background in Photoshop. Now, removing a background in Photoshop paves the way for some of the most fun uses of the application, and while there are more complex, time-consuming ways to create your subject with its background, there's an easy method you can go about. Photoshop offers many different techniques for removing a background from an image. For simple background like this is a plain background with nothing else but the plain color of blue. Now, using the standard magic wand tool, which is this, click on that. You just have to click on the area of the color you'd like to get rid of. Like, for example, you can check this and delete that, or you can fill that with another color using the paint bucket tool, and you're going to choose the color from the color palette here. Whatever color you like, you just choose from these colors and then fill it with the paint bucket tool. Now you see it's in different color. Now for the background, that's just another option I have shown you. Now, going back to the background of the image, we can click on this background and you see it highlights all the space that has the color blue. Now, if you want to delete that and have it in white, you can just click on delete and everything else will go into white. Now, if you want that to be colored in another color, you can click on the color palette and you can change the color using paint bucket tool. See, there you go. Now there's another step. This magic wand tool is actually the simplest of them all. For more complicated backgrounds, you might use the background eraser. Now this one is the eraser tool. There you can see eraser tool. For a shortcut, you can go for E, letter E on your keyboard. Now click on that and then you can erase the background like that. See? That's how it happens. It actually depends on the scope. For another complicated background, you might want to use this tool, lasso tool, which does this one. Okay, there. It can go to more complicated areas, so you can delete that if you want. There, it happens. Now, you can also use polygonal lasso tool. This one is for images like this. Okay, let's try it on this one. But it's actually more complicated because we have to zoom in to be exact on your choosings. The tools you use in removing a background from an image depends on your comfort. So these are three main steps in Photoshop to get rid of backgrounds. Now, from here, you're now ready to create a new creative background of your subject. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thank you for watching.